Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to upload and share the files on Google Drive in 2025. So whether you are sending the documents, photos or large videos, Google Drive makes the sharing super fast and easy. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on drive.google.com. Over here, you need to log in into it with that particular Google account of yours in which you want to basically create the folders, upload your files and share them. Now, once you are inside, your Google Drive dashboard is going to look something like this. Over here, the first thing that you can do here is to simply create a new folder. So hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of new. Now click on the option of new folder and give your folder a name. Now once you have done that, you just have to click on that particular folder. Now you need to start uploading your files. So in order to upload the files, make sure that you are inside this folder. Otherwise your uploaded videos and the images will come outside of it. So inside it, simply hover over to the new tab again, then click on the option of file upload. Now it is going to open your device in front of you. So you will have to select that particular video or a photo which you want to basically upload in this particular folder. Now that you have uploaded your files over here, simply come out of this folder, then click on the three dots right next to it, then hover over to the share option, then you can just simply copy this link. Now after copying this link, you can just simply share it with anyone and they will be able to get access to it. Now if you want to make changes into the access settings, you can just click on the option of share here. Now you can also provide the name of the group, the space, the email address of that particular person whom you want to share this folder with. Then we have general access. So when you click on the option of restricted, if the option is selected as restricted, whenever you share this particular link with someone, they won't be able to access any of the files over here. So since we don't want that, we want to share it with them and we want them to give the access, simply make sure that you select the option of anyone with the link. Now you can copy this link from here, then click on the option of done. Now you can share this link with anyone on any social media platforms. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.